we're going to clean out the sheep pens completely because we're building a stanchion right here for Clarabelle, the cow. And she'll have this section of that and over there for the calf. Yeah. So this will be their section. And the sheep will go into this section over here. So we now have the floor all done. It's all been scraped off, and we're going to layer it with a couple of these big bales of peat moss because it absorbs moisture and smell. We got the floor nicely covered with the peat moss, and now we're just going to layer a thin layer of hay on it. We're going to leave this section here free so he can work on building and getting the supports in for the stanchion. This won't be as warm as the piled up bedding because there's no heat coming down from breakdown of the manure and the hay. But it's clean and it's dry and it's getting warm out. So it's pretty good.
Paul's going to make a start on the stanchion, and the first thing he'll do is put up 2 horizontal beams about 2 feet apart for the top structural support, and he's going to affix them to the rafters in the barn.
So the next step is to get the next beam up, going along this way. There he goes. He's got a little board he put up there to rest it on. Here.
Now Paul's ready to put the second horizontal beam up. Time to start putting the vertical support beams that go from the top horizontal structures down to the floor. So he'll put 2 of those in and they'll be roughly 2 feet apart.
Later that day, we've got a lot of the stanchion is finished, the main framing of it attached to the ceiling. All right, lots of supports down to the ground, 2 small boards along the bottom. We're just going to leave a dirt floor. Okay, the rails are about 41 inches high. We're not sure if that's too high or not. And the front, we've attached the beginning of a head gate, but it's not completed yet. We need to get bolts in it, but yeah. And we're going to have a feed bucket in this space here. Feed bucket there that's removable. Yeah, so a good day's work. And there he is. Now that the stanchion's built, you can see how easy she goes in. Get back. Here we go. Come on. And she follows me, and she'll go right up there. There you go. And wait. And there you go. And she's quite used to it. I put a little back tie on it. And then I have my pin. Drop through here. It's a cotter pin and bump through there. And she's in, secure, for as long as I need her to be.
Now Paul's ready to put the second horizontal beam up. Time to start putting the vertical support beams that go from the top horizontal structures down to the floor. So he'll put 2 of those in and they'll be roughly 2 feet apart.